Meron kumukuha sa akin sa Viva Max. Magkano din yung sahod nun? Parang feeling ko, tatanggapin ko nga yun. Kasi malaki yung offer nila eh. Like mga, ano ba yun, 2 million? Oh, hindi mapupulot yung 2 million. So feeling ko, kailangan tanggapin ko na yun.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
May kumukuha kay saan sa Viva Max, 2 million. Oh, ang laki din nun, sayang yun, tatanggapin ko yun. Supportan nyo ako sa Viva Max! So, ako na yung susunod nyo makikita sa Viva Max.
You need money, you need to find that a good way.
Ha?
Good way.
Anong good way?
Because you make money to yourself.
2 million yun,
I
sayang.
don't care, I don't 2 million. I don't like that, you doing that. That's not nice for me.
Why?
I don't care. Don't do that. It's okay.
Why?
You are a girl, Natalie. You don't need to do that for money. Because I don't want. It's not nice for me. It's not good for me. If the other people do that, it's okay. Maybe he's good for the people doing that. I don't care. But I care about you.
Mahal mo ako. I-invite ko pala kayo para bukas. Merong tayong live bukas ng 5 PM sa OK Games. Hatid sa inyo ng Omniplay. May exciting giveaways. Marami tayong ipapamigay. Kaya siguraduhin hindi kayo mahuhuli ah. See you there! Bye!